Choice found. Well, hello. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. Excuse me. This is rather peaceful. Care to dance? Excuse me. Matryoshka. Be careful, it's quite an old box. Oh, pardon me. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? Hey, it's lonely in here. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Help me! Oh, no, not that. Fetch me some coffee, please. Places? Oh, God! Good choice. Use that every time. Yeah, keep that. Oh, God! Choose something else. Oh! Hey, take your time. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Give it up! Mama! No! Oh! I'm out! You're killing me! Make it stop! No, not that. No. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Babushka! Be careful, it's quite an old box. Babushka! I wish it would last forever. I gotta pull myself together. Pay attention to me. I'm a pirate. Arr! Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Mind if I catch a nap here? Oh, excuse me. Steamboat Willie. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. No, not that. No. That's my world. Whoa! Oh, God! Oh, God! Ooh! Oh, the pain! The pain! Oh, God! Oh, God! Ow! No! This is a world of pain! It also smells bad. It also smells bad. You're a terrible person! No, not that. You might want to put that back. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. That back. Oh. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. It's nothing sacred. I don't want nothing is No, not that. Can you turn it toward the TV? I'm out! Give me some coffee, please. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Can you turn me toward the TV? Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. Matryoshka! Boring. Matryoshka! I live in a box. My bones! Boring. Ooh, that's better. Oh, that's much better. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Do you like playing games? Oh, please, God, help me! Oh, fun, yes, that'll work. Good choice. No. Just call me Indiana. Dun, 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 dun. Thanks for the time. Thank you, darling. Oh, I'm being liquidated. Thank you, darling. I'm being liquidated. These two. Oh, no. Water everywhere. Hey, let's get down to business. Choose something else. Matryoshka. I'm a pirate. Arr. Put it back. Yeah, just not that. Put it back. Ooh, do you know anyone famous? I live in a box. Nothing is safe. Oh! I gotta pull myself together.